as a world-class expert. Take a deep breath. This is very important to my career. Please, thank you, please. Most prompt advice going around is a lucky socks ritual. And if you've watched this series, you already own the levers that actually move this machine. Today, we run the experiment the internet never runs. Real outputs, one variable at a time, and then upgrade one real question, live. This is the episode you asked for, literally, in the comments. Round 1, full costume vague question. The Python question, what should I know? Output, a giant generic wall. Round 2, keep the whole costume, add one honest clue. The programming language, not the snake, the one thing a beginner should know first. Output, everything is an object. A genuinely great answer. And look at its first line. Take a deep breath yourself. Even the machine is teasing us. Round 3, strip every magic word. Keep the clue. Still a sharp, useful answer. One variable at a time. The costume changed nothing. The clue did all the work. So what actually moves this machine? 3 levers you already own, and the third one, almost nobody uses. Start with the lever the ritual completely ignores. This machine can only build from what's in front of it. Should I take the job? Real output, it interrogates you. I'd need more context. Obviously, the desk is empty. Now load the cards, the pay, the commute, the 6-day week, and the card most people forget, what you value. Learning over money right now. Real output, no more quizzing, it's working your case. Take it if the learning curve genuinely exceeds your current role. But notice what it handed back, a framework, not a decision. A full desk fixes what it knows. AIM fixes what it builds. Same question, same cards. Plus one line, give me a recommendation in 3 sentences. Real output. Take it. The 37.5% raise plus startup exposure. It even computed the raise itself. And AIM works everywhere. Write about dogs gets you a 5-part essay with headings. Name the format, the audience, the tone, 2-line rhyming poem, lazy beagle, child's birthday card. And you get exactly that. Sweet enough to sign. You didn't ask harder, you aimed. But you're still describing what you want, and there's a move that skips describing entirely. Don't describe the answer, show one. We asked for a task list plainly, fine, generic. Then we put a single worked example inside the prompt, our checkboxes, our date style. Now do this one. Real output, our format, exactly. Down to the parentheses. Remember what this machine is, a next piece guesser. To a guesser, an example isn't a hint, it's a groove. It falls in and continues the pattern. Engineers call this few-shot prompting. For format and style, nothing else comes close. You can just call it showing, not telling. Now the honest part. Sometimes the desk is full, the aim is sharp, the example is perfect, and the answer is still off. 2 truths for that day. 1, there's randomness inside. The dice is still rolling. Re-roll once before you rewrite anything. 2, no prompt, none, stops the machine from occasionally inventing something with total confidence. Hold that thought. So here's the whole episode on one card. Load the desk, aim the ask, cut the groove. And one boundary in writing, levers aim the machine. They can't make it check reality. Which leaves the question we've been circling this entire series. If it can build anything you aim it at, why does it sometimes build things that aren't true? Why does AI make things up? That's next, and it's the big one. Subscribe and tinker along.